Sup guys, welcome to another RainGG video. The host right here, it's the name, it's Buberino. So if you want to play here at RainGG, you have 5% bonus plus 3 free cases if you use the link on the description or in the comment section. Plus you are blessed by Buberino. So let's right away just do a group. Can we have a share mode? Share mode of 4 persons. And we're gonna go to a $500 case. 454 creators case. Call the bots, it's shared mode. So we all earn something, but I hope we all hit, because I want to check how much can we have in profit. 800. Okay, we just lost half of the balance, just like that. Pros. We're gonna go towards 5%, 10%. Maybe we can eat something right here. With 155. 1 versus 1. If we hit, we gonna be rich. Since it's so low percentage, let's just hope for the best. 21 cases. Can we eat something of 5%? I don't know. Okay, we were really close, but that's not enough. We don't need close, we need to freaking hit. It's like a 10% or 5%, I don't remember. Okay, the bot just hit. Nice for him. And how much? 24, okay, it's not that much. I was waiting for being way more expensive. Nothing here. Still nothing, and we have 11 cases. Bro. I don't think that's gonna happen anything here. Come on. 0. Come on, bro. Okay. Finally, a hit. Imagine that we drop a talon knife. Come on, talon knife, please. Okay, it's a Bowie. 171. Okay. I was just accepting the loss. Please. Oh, so close. So freaking close to a dragon lore, bro. Okay, 4 more cases. Put a 10% knife. Yeah, I think I put a 10%. I don't remember. But we have 85% chance of winning, bro. If the bot wins, I don't know what to say. I just accept the victory and gonna cry in the bed. So yeah, we are almost ending. So don't forget, if you want to play at RainGG, use the link on the description to get 5% bonus plus 3 free cases. Really nice. Don't you fucking dare. Oh, so close, bro. I just shot myself. Okay, we have 300. Maybe gonna put the low vitality ones of 10. and we're gonna go all in once again. But we're gonna go 2 vs 2. Jackpot mode. Gonna go Vitality Ascending with the price of this one. We have $300 to try to have profit. Come on. We really need one. Let's freaking go, please, Rainbot 11. You are from my team and you have to drop. Please do something, I just beg you. Right away, he didn't drop anything. Oh, so close, and they drop a double AK. The bots hit every time. Why am I not eating anything? Okay, maybe this one. EK 25, still so much low. Good, okay, perfect. I was waiting for this one. Fallout warning, is that? Yeah, okay. 48 is something. And another special, perfect. Come on. Please, Rangy. GG. Come on. $40, I'm smelling 40. 53, okay. We already have 50% chance of winning. So way better than in the beginning. That we were losing so much. Okay, we have to keep going. Yes, another win. Perfect. Let's keep eating, please. We just need to keep eat every freaking time. And the red? 52k. Ooh, so close to another one. Bro. Okay. The pot is already $800, so the person who wins it is gonna be in a huge profit. It has to double. Oh fuck! So close to a double. Go down a little bit. Get down. Okay, still more expensive. The one we got. Ooh, almost a double glove for them. 2 more cases to go. Last freaking case and we're gonna go to the jackpot. Okay, that's a nice drop just to end the video with. Please jackpot, please, I just beg you. And the freaking bot just hit once again, bro. Oh. Okay, the video will end right here, but don't forget to if you want to play at RainGG, you have the link on the description or in the comment section to get 5% bonus plus 3 free cases upon your deposit. So thank you guys for watching, thank you again for being here, and I see you again on the next video. Cheers!